everyone. This is Group C and our ITW topic is how virtual technology solves our problem. Members of my team are Ding Xiaofeng, Liu Junyi, Su Hao, Zhang Wenqi, Liu Zihao, and myself, Dominic. So as we all know, since February 2020, COVID has been wreaking havoc across the globe, and people everywhere around the world are feeling the impact that this pandemic has brought into each and everyone's daily life. So we have come up with 3 things that has proven to be quite stressful during this period, and that is traveling, shopping, and meetings. So traveling. So our travel is restricted. So as we know, since COVID started, there has been travel restriction in many countries, and that some of those countries haven't even closed their borders. But as some of them start to reopen for tourists to come in, COVID-19 cases start to rise up in those countries, and that leads them to close down their borders again. So this is quite stressful for people who love to travel. They feel quite pressured because they cannot go out and do their normal activities that they usually do, and this can lead to depression as well. Shopping. So the main problem is for shopping is that people cannot go out to shop as much as they want. Especially us girls, we can spend the whole day at the shopping mall. But during COVID, all of those malls are closed and nobody can go out to shop as there is restrictions. And if the mall open, we can say that this brings clusters of COVID cases. Meetings. So everywhere in the world, people are facing the same problems for meetings, especially students and companies. They cannot attend classes or exams. Everything has to be done through online, and sometimes that causes a problem. Can have internet connection, or students doesn't even attend the classes. So meeting is quite a problem during COVID pandemic. My team member Liu Junyi will be presenting for the next part. Thank you.
Next, I will introduce the second part, the description and function of this product. Firstly, let's begin with description. Virtual reality all-in-one has 4 perception modes, which are vision, hearing, touch, and movement. The objects in the virtual environment will act according to the laws of physics. For example, when the objects in the virtual environment are pushed by the user, the objects will move to the direction of the force, or fall over, or fall from the desktop of the ground. Virtual reality all-in-one also combine dynamic environment modeling technology, real-time 3D graphics generation technology, stereo display, and sensor technology. System interaction technology, which can bring users an immersive experience while having unparalleled interactivity, autonomy, and multi-perception. So how to solve problem by using virtual reality AIO? First of all, you can travel without going out. You do not have to worry about not being able to travel around the world because of COVID-19. Also, it's called time travel, so you can get to any point of time, which is much more fun than real-life travel. At the same time, it provides a variety of VR scenes that we are close to reality. Time travel can give you strength when you are in trouble. For example, during the COVID-19, many people lost their motivation to live. At this point, you can use our time travel to go back to the memorable moment, realize the words of the moment, and find the strength to move on. Next will be the shopping. In our product, we will break through the limitation of time and space, and then truly realize the concept of virtual shopping, and you will feel that immersive experience virtual shopping brought by the convenience and freshness. It can greatly increase the sense of reality of online goods, allow users to experience the characteristics of goods in all directions, and provide users with various shopping choices. Also, shopping using virtual reality (AR) can effectively reduce friction or indirect contact with the merchants or other customers during the COVID-19, thereby avoiding the spread of the virus. At the same time, compared with the traditional online shopping, we can better grasp the status of the products which we want to buy because everything will be presented in our virtual reality (AR) in the forms of 3D models. And using virtual reality (AR) not only has advantages of traditional office shopping, but also takes into account the advantages of online shopping. Purchased product can be quickly sent to the destination. The last one is meeting. We call it as VR teleconferencing. The virtual technology is used to make the things 3D on the existing situation conference system, and video conference 3D technology are combined to realize the virtual and vivid network. Video conference shorten the distance between people.
Okay, here's the part 3. We will talk about the expenditure to produce this invention. We will hire a large number of talents in software engineering, electronic engineering, and related teams, and then we need to purchase some related equipment and hardware parts. And we have 4 types of expenditure. The first one in the cost of hardware design. After we hiring teams of personnel and purchasing equipment, we need to pay patent fees. It's about 350,000 a year. In the cost of hardware production, we will purchase some internationally famous brand parts, and we will sign for the contract. For example, we have Intel's CPU, AMD's graphics cards, Kingston's RAM, which also includes some matching shells, power rails, and so on. This will also incur a cost of 1,187 in the cost of supporting software development. It's also necessary to sign a contract to hire a team, which cost about 16,350. And the last one in the marketing cost, we need to decide according to the situation and the time, and then you can choose which way you want to promote, such as some popular online social platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Therefore, the cost of marketing is still uncertain. Okay, here's part 4, the conclusion. We found that there are some similar places in VR travel, shopping, and meetings. They have a common feature. They can get a better experience without being restricted by the region. This technology have few limitations and can be incompleted in any situation. So we can achieve a shopping, meeting, and traveling in anywhere. It can be better shortened to the distance between people, can connect the people and even the world. So, affected by the epidemic, people are not allowed to move around and across the province. So we need to use the technology to help people to bring the scenery of any place to your eyes. This will also stimulate more people to learn related technology, and more high technology talents will be appeared. In the future, the development of internet and popularization of smartphones, I believe that VR technology will be gradually realized and applied. The demand for VR talent of major enterprise will also be increased. For these points of view, the future development prospects of VR development in virtual reality all-in-one technology will continue to be used in medical, engineering, military, and aviation. So that's all of our Group C presentation. Thank you for watching.